Ladies, let's talk about our breasts. Yup, your breasts are beautiful and unique to you. So today, I want to have an open conversation about our breasts, specifically in relation to fitness. Ladies, if you have any questions or concerns, do let me know in the comment section and let's talk about it. One of the most common questions I get asked is how can I reduce or increase the size of my breasts? Here are 5 facts you should know about your breasts. Now, before we get into it, let's first understand the anatomy of your breasts. Your breasts are made out of fat and fibrous tissue, as well as glands and ducts that make breast milk. Fatty tissue makes up the bulk of the breasts. Hence, your body fat percentage will influence the size of your breasts. Just like your body, our breasts come in all shapes and sizes. Your breast size is hereditary. Some of us are blessed with fuller boobs, whereas some are blessed with smaller boobs. Whatever the size of your boobs are, they are equally just as beautiful, and you can't change it no matter how much exercises or massaging you do. This leads on to the next fact. You can't really increase the size of your bust. Yup, that means all the workout videos or tips to increase your breast size isn't entirely true. Of course, there are circumstances where your breasts do fluctuate in size. For instance, during pregnancy, breastfeeding, menopause, taking birth control pills, hormonal changes, or whether you've gained or lose weight. I'm sure some of you might notice that your breasts look fuller when you're on your period. That's because of the hormonal changes in your body. But it's not permanent. Your breast can grow as much as a full cup size during your menstrual cycle. However, days after your period, your hormone level drops and your boobs are back at its smallest. Yup, thanks hormones. The fact remains that there is no magic exercise, massage, or diet to turn an A cup to a double D cup. Of course, if you perform chest exercises, you will build your pectoral muscles that sit behind your boobs, which could make your entire chest and breasts look fuller and perkier in appearance. But that doesn't mean you can make a dramatic change going from an A cup to a double D. The truth is, for those with smaller boobs, the only way to enhance it is to go under the knife. Or perhaps, for a safer option, you can invest in a seriously good push-up bra. Just as we mentioned right at the beginning of this video, your breast is mainly made out of fatty tissue. Hence, losing weight or gaining weight can change the size of your breast. If you gain weight, your boobs will be larger. And if you lose weight, you might notice your breast will shrink. That's because we cannot pick and choose and spot reduce fat. You can't expect to just lose weight only from your tummy and hips while remaining the fats around your butt and also breasts. I wish we could do that, but it just doesn't work this way. Fat loss comes from all areas of your body, and that means your breasts as well, because they contain fatty tissue. Saying that, however, this isn't the same for every woman, since some women have denser breasts with less fatty tissue. So again, it really comes down to your genetics. This leads on to the next fact. What you see on social media has been enhanced. Big boobs, super tiny waist, big butts, it's not natural. People with super lean bodies who have a low body fat percentage but with big boobs are all enhanced through surgery. Lower body fat means you will also have smaller boobs. And the only way to achieve that bikini body social media has led you to believe is unfortunately to go under the knife. So let's start setting a more realistic expectation for ourselves. If you want to lean up, you will also have to be ready to sacrifice losing some size from your breasts. What's most important is to celebrate your weight loss and your health with new, smaller pants and bras. Celebrate your body in all shapes and sizes for keeping it active and healthy. So stop comparing yourself to what you see on social media because it is not real. And the final tip I would like to point out is that ladies, you should always wear a sports bra when you exercise. I've even created a video on how to choose the right sports bra and why it is so important for you to wear a sports bra when you work out. So do watch it on my YouTube channel. When we exercise, our breasts move not only up and down, but also side to side and in and out. Regardless of how small your breasts are, they will still move around. Without that support, the average A cup travels about 1.5 inches in each direction, and a D cup bounces 2 to 3 inches. Without proper support, every bounce and movement may result in breast pain, soft tissue damage, and even cause your breasts to droop over time, especially when age is catching up. So if you notice that your breasts are starting to droop from all the high-impact workouts you have been doing, well, it is time for you to invest in a good pair of sports bra to keep your breasts supported at all times. As our body and lifestyle changes through age, our breasts will also keep changing. They are the most intimate part of a woman's body and can make you feel confident in your day-to-day life. So remember to give your boobs the care they need by wearing the right support, staying active, and checking on them regularly to avoid any health issues. I hope this video has taught you more about your breasts so that you can start to set a more realistic expectation for yourself. And most importantly is to stay healthy and love your body for what it is. If you find this video to be useful, then do share it with your girlfriends and do give this video a thumbs up, okay? Do hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet done it, and do check out a lot more workout videos, meal plans, and also fitness tips on my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or concerns, do let me know in the comments section below, and I will see you in my next video. All the best.